people. So keeping in mind my whole, this whole attempt to speak about these various books by Happy Science people, there's this book called How to Overcome Illness. I mean, really, I have a lot of these small, tiny little books which I'm able to read every day, and How to Overcome Illness it's it's such a revelation, that Master Ryoho Okawa, this Japanese thinker, says that any kind of illness first is indicative of a certain wrong thinking pattern. you know we normally don't attribute, of course they say 93% of all illnesses are psychosomatic, but they begin in the mind. But we won't attribute a virus to a wrong thought pattern, right? But apparently that's what it is. I mean, it's true, yeah. I mean, too many people in a particular place having the wrong set of thought patterns, like, so what if we are killing dogs and cats and eating them? I mean, what is wrong in that? So then the virus decides, yes, baby, I'll show you the things that are wrong in that. So it's very it opens your mind, yeah. So people just, once Amazon is up and running, I mean, like, once you can get deliveries home, just try and get yourself a copy of any book by Master Ryoho Okawa. You all can do a Google search. Ryoho, you type it out, Ryuho. It's a Japanese name, and Okawa, Okawa, and his books will change your life. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.